Hey everybody, how you doing today? Well, we're in the SK Modified at the high banks of New Smyrna Speedway in Florida. I generally run pretty good here. This is a 0.48 mile track, so basically a half-mile track, 23 degrees of banking. You run the bottom all the way around the corners and sweep out to the wall. Pretty fast track. I kind of like it. I haven't won here, but I generally do pretty good. Well, I'm in the number 6 Craftsman Fury SK Modified today, starting 5th position. Got some fast guys ahead of me. This is a 6 a.m. Iowa time race, so the field, it's one split. So we've got guys with 3,000 and 4,000 IR all the way down to 900 IR. I'm up with the good guys, the high IR, so this should be a pretty clean start. Let's go. Ooh, they're beating and banging before turn 1. 3rd and 4th beating again. They wash up high, I take it low, and down the backstretch. I'm in 3rd place. Wow. Now they're not done trading paint. Okay, now these guys are clearly faster than me based on qualifying times. Am I going to be able to stake it out front here for a little bit? Okay, the number 3 car goes way down on the apron. Number 5 will pass him. All right, you guys keep fighting for position. I'll just kind of check out. The leader in 2nd place, they've checked out for me. I mean, I am not in their class of skill. 17.77. Leader's already 2 seconds ahead of me after 3 laps. I need to do some more setup work on this car, on this track. This is the very first race for this race week, which is week 10. So I haven't messed with the setup. I just jumped in what I had and qualified. Surprisingly, I'm pulling away just a little bit from 4th place car, number 3. This is 50-lap race, by the way. Enduro, no cautions. The 3 and the 5 get to racing again a little bit. That just falls right into my benefit. They're going to get together. Oh, almost. Seven laps in, I don't believe anybody has actually spun out yet. We haven't come up on any lap traffic yet. 17.876. Pretty clean start. Yeah, the leader and 2, they're just pulling away from me every lap. But I've lengthened my gap on the 4th place car a little bit. That's kind of surprising to me, but they've been mixing it up. They get their poop in a group, like I think they have, I think they're going to run me down. They're faster than I am. You don't brake here, you just get out of the throttle and let the banking carry you around. If I work on the setup a little bit, I should be able to get into the gas a little bit sooner at the apex instead of fully in turn 3. You know, the number 3 car has cut into my lead on him just a little bit. They're coming. When he gets up to me, based on what I've kind of seen with the beating and banging between him and the 5 car, I'm just going to let him go. And if the 5 car gets to me, I'm going to let him go too. That'll regulate, put me back into 5th place, but that's okay. This is my first race of the week. I'm looking for some points. Should be some pretty good points, even a 5th place finish with the high IR that we're looking at here in this race. Leader has checked out over 5 seconds. 2nd place is 4 seconds ahead of me.
17.994.
And the 4th place car was about 0.8 seconds behind me now. He's 0.4, so he's coming. It'll be just another lap or two here that I imagine he'll be on my bumper. And like I said, I'm going to let him go. I'm going to let him go. Yeah, 3 cars here, so I think the next corner, going into 1 and 2, I'll let him go. He's going to take it down the front stretch, that's fine. I pull over, that gives him the indication I'm going to go high. He takes it nice and clean and quick as he blinks. And next up is the 5 car, and again, I'm just going to let him go. They're clearly faster than I am. Knew he kind of checked up there coming out of 2. All right, I'm back in 5th place now. That's okay. 6th place is almost 5 seconds behind me, so if I can just maintain this, a 5th place top 5 finish, I'll be happy with that. 20 laps in, all right. Just ahead of us 3 here in 3rd, 4th, and 5th is the first lap car there that we will have to negotiate. I'm pretty tight in this setup. I need to loosen it up a little bit more. And I will do that with a little bit of stagger change. All right, there's that lap car, and all 3 of us are going to get by him right there. All right, that was pretty clean. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm kind of plowing the front end because it's so tight. But I like a tight car over a loose car. Halfway. I've got 6 seconds on 6th place, so I'm comfortably in 5th place. 25 laps to go, top 5 finish. First outing at New Smyrna. Now I have been at New Smyrna here before, previous seasons, and have done decently here, but as I gain experience, as the seasons go by here, I'm picking up more and more knowledge and skill. So, like I said, if I can pull out a top 5 here on the very first outing this week, I will be happy. All right, now we got a lapper here that is not going to quite play by the rules. He's going to make the lead cars go by him on the outside. And then see, he hits the apron there, man. He could have spun out and taken me out. You guys, when the leaders are passing you, go high. Let us go low. We will get around you. Making us go high, quite frankly, that's bullshit. He could have ruined my day there if he had lost it on the apron. Okay, here we got another lapper up here, and he's doing it the right way. You just go about a lane higher. We will get around you. There's one that spun out. That might have been the same guy. I didn't catch the number. Very good. Go high. We'll scoot around you real quick. You won't hardly lose any time. 20 to go. 6th place is not even on the relative board anymore for me. I've checked out from him. And we don't see the leader on the board, so he's gone. Now, while the 4th place car has gained on me just a little bit here, it seems to have stabilized just a little bit now. Get around this lapper here. He's about 1.4 seconds ahead of me. Oh, 1.1 now. I might be catching him just a little bit. All right, we're going to jump ahead to 10 laps to go.
0.079. Keep it up, my man. About 10 laps to go, I think.
4th place is at 1.4 seconds now. I'm just, the last 8 laps, I've just kind of maintained my distance with him. I don't know if I'm going to be able to close on him in the last 10. Probably not, but like I've said, top 5, that's pretty good. I'll take that. Ooh, I got real squirrely there. Get around this 13. Yep, go high. Thank you very much.
Clear, clear.
Wow, I gained about 0.4 or 4/10 of a second on the 4th place car there. I've kind of caught up to him. Huh, what's going on here? He's pulling high? What is going on here? He's not blowing up. I don't see smoke. Okay, I'm in 4th place. He went high again. Look in the mirror. Has he got a fuel issue? Is he? Huh. He's high. He's letting everybody pass him. I think he's low on fuel. That is odd.
5 to go this time.
5 to go. I'm in 4th. Okay. Hot damn. And the 3rd place car pulls in the pits. What? Fuel again, maybe? Okay, wow. And I can tell you that the number 5 car came down the pit road too. They had fuel issues. This is incredible. You never see fuel issues in the SK, and I'll get to that a little bit later. Wow, I'm in 3rd now, guys. Podium finish. We just got a couple laps to go. 2 to go next time by. Okay, get past this lap car. Boy, I'm all by myself in 3rd place.
Clear up top. One more time.
Man, usually the SKs are pretty good on fuel, and you just put a few gallons in for a 50 lapper like this, and I just don't understand that. They missed it big time apparently. And this blue car up here in turns 1 and 2, oh my God, that is the 2nd place car, and he's off pace big time. Shit, did he pull a Mark Martin? He may have thought the race was over. Dave comes home in 2nd. Oh my God, that is incredible. What the hell happened? I am at a loss for words. That was a spectacular last 5 laps. I'm thinking the second place. No, there he is. He's dead, coasting down the front straight. It was not a Mark Martin. He ran out of gas too. Wow. You know, I'll have to go back and see if the laps changed. Excuse me, from last season to this season. Was it 40 laps last year and 50 this year, and that's why they missed the fuel? I don't know. Huh. Wow, what a chain of events, guys. 2nd place. I will take it. Let me explain real quickly what I meant by he might have pulled a Mark Martin. About 25 years ago, in what they used to call the Busch Grand National Series, it's now the Xfinity Series, at Bristol Speedway, Mark Martin was leading the race. A caution came out, and he thought the race had ended, but there was one more lap to go. He pulled down pit road and did not win the race. And that was probably one of the very first times we'd ever seen that in the modern era, and so that's now called a Mark Martin.